Hey everyone, welcome back. Aave price prediction today, ladies and gents. Next move, will Aave take us to above $100? I found this really nice article. We're going to go through it, look at the possibilities that Aave could go as high as $100 quite soon. But my question for today is, could Aave go to $500 quite soon? Within the next bull run, is it even a possibility that Aave could achieve $500? Absolutely. I do believe this strongly. And I can show you my evidence for that in this video. So that's what we're going to be going through, some latest news on Aave as well. Aave launched stake Ethereum earn strategy through Oasis. We're going to take a look at this news as well. Robinhood crypto customers can now trade Aave and Tezos. This is huge. This is a huge move for Aave. And this was recent news. This was published yesterday, actually, 24th of October. This will bring Aave and Tezos to new market of traders. Now, right now, the price of Aave is $82. But the incredible thing about Aave is that it has an incredible low supply of circulating tokens. And that's just around 14 million tokens. That's in circulating supply. In max supply, it is 16 million tokens. It's a limited amount of tokens. The market cap, 1.1 billion. I believe we still have a long way to see the market cap grow. Now let's take a look back at Aave in the last year. Last year at this time, the price of Aave was $339. Yes, you heard me correctly. At its all-time high, it got close to $600, $594. This was last year. This was in May, just before the big dip in the market in June and July. Of course, in August, things started to go back up in the crypto market. But there you have it, evidence that Aave has been above $500 before. So if it's done it before, it can do it again in the next bull run. That's my question. But before we can do that, we need to get to $100, $300, $400, $500. That's how it works. So it says here, so in brief, Aave has broken out from a descending resistant line. The daily RSI is bullish. Aave is in a wave of an ABC correction structure. Libertex provide crypto CFD trades with zero commission fees. But what this video is really made for is people who will see this in the future. 5 to 6 months, maybe even 9 months from now, when the price of Aave starts going up to $300, $400 and eventually gets to $500, then you can watch this video to understand why. Then you can watch this video to understand what's the next step, what you need to do. And before we continue on this subject, allow me to declare this video is not financial advice, it's strictly for educational purposes. Now, Aave price has been falling underneath a descending resistant line since reaching a high of $115 on August the 13th. The downward movement led to a minimum price of $64 on October the 13th. That's a month apart. And in a month period of time, the price fallen by 50%. Keep that in mind. That's crazy. So initially, it seemed that the downward movement caused a breakdown from $71 horizon support area. However, the price reversed trends immediately, bouncing and creating a long lowered wick in the process, green icon. Now, the main resistance area is being found between $90 and $96. It is worth mentioning that technical indicators support the continuation of upwards movements. The breakout was preceded by bullish divergence in the daily RSI green line. Some are saying that in this current period, the price could reach as high as $135. This is without the bull run actually, which would be really impressive from Aave. But of course, I'd like to also focus on other news from Aave. Aave launched stake Ethereum earn strategic. Aave launches stake Ethereum earn strategy through Oasis. Oasis will allow users with Ethereum to enter into an recursive Saint Ethereum to Ethereum strategy in a single transaction by using the Aave protocol. Aave has launched a Lido stake Ethereum or Saint Ethereum earn strategic through Oasis.app, the front end for borrowing DAO and MakerDAO stablecoin. The new strategy will allow users to borrow Ethereum or ETH against their Saint ETH. Now, it's always been possible to do that by first depositing ETH and borrowing Saint ETH from Lido protocol, then go into another platform like Aave to loan Saint ETH in exchange for ETH again. But Oasis will now allow users with ETH to enter into the recursive strategy in a single transaction by using the Aave protocol according to the release. So there's less back and forth, there's less indecisiveness, it's just all done on one system, one platform in an easy transaction. Now, as of writing, this article was published 24th of October, yesterday. I'm making this video on the 25th of October. Now, it's stating that Aave is the fourth largest decentralized finance platform according to a $5 billion worth of total value locked across several lending protocols on Monday, according to DeFi Llama. Of that, 3.6 billion worth of that asset is on Aave platform or in Ethereum. Shall we assess that one more time, ladies and gents? Aave is the fourth largest decentralized finance platform accounting for a $5 billion worth of total value locked across several different platforms and protocols. Yes, Aave is that powerful. Of course, their popularity in the space isn't all that popular. However, behind the scenes in the blockchain and crypto space, it is extremely popular for them. Now, in May, when market took a big swing on the news that Terra Network have been halted twice following its algorithmic stablecoin going zero, Lido warned traders that they were at an increased risk of having their total collateral liquidated. But Aave says that the risk of having that happen reduced after the merge, which switched the Ethereum network from proof of work to proof of stake on September the 14th. Aave founder and CEO Stani Kulecha told Decrypt during a recent interview that risk will drop even more after Ethereum core developers implement the Shanghai upgrade, which will make it so that stake Ethereum can be unstake. Right now, stake Ethereum can't be withdrawn. However, the Shanghai upgrade, will change this, which is really good. So based on everything that we spoke about in this video, let me know, what do you think Aave will do in the near future? What will it accomplish in November? Because now that October is ending, we're looking forward to November. What could Aave accomplish in November? Could it go to $100, $130? Is it possible in December for it to go to $150? And next year, 6 to 9 months from now, our next bull run, our trajectory for our next bull run, is it possible for Aave to go to $500? Back to where it was at its all-time high, or even close to that number? I definitely think within the next bull run is certainly possible. They keep on adding more value to their platform. And right now, their market cap, their price doesn't really show that true value. But that's because everything is down in the market right now. Cryptos are down. Even the traditional finance market, stocks and shares, are also having a difficult time right now. It's not just crypto. Simply put, there's not a lot of money going around right now. But that will change soon. That always change. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. And of course, I'll see you in our next video.